It's a little bit, there it is. Yeah, you see? We essentially hammer the hell out of it. Ah, god damn it, this gusts. It is gusting 35 today, and it's freaking amazing. Well, that's done. It's a little bit more, wait, what did I do with the old pace? Yeah, it's a little bit more secure this way. So standing still. Looking at the old one, there's a lot of rotting on the ice side. It only went in like for a half a millimeter. The rest was pretty good, but I don't trust that.